Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I'm standing next to a brand new 2019 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. This is a fantastic boat for getting you out on the water with your friends and family, doing some water sports, or even just getting out to that sandbar and hanging out for the weekend. You've got plenty of room, seating inside for up to 12 people. Lots of lounging area on the back there. Dual captains, seats up on the front. Fusion waterproof radio. Up on the bow here, you see we've got another big sun lounging area. Seats 3 people. Built-in storage underneath all the seats, as well as a built-in cooler in the rear. Nice walkthrough that you don't find on a lot of boats this size. Typically you're walking over the cushions to get it in and out of the boat. You also got a telescoping boarding ladder for getting in and out of the water while participating in the water sports. This particular one's equipped with a 150 horsepower Mercury. It's going to give you plenty of power, get up and going fast. This thing's going to run along in the mid-40s. Also includes a full cover for the boat while you're storing it, bimini top, as well as a galvanized tandem axle trailer. If you guys have any additional questions on this boat, please call, text, or email anytime. I'm happy to help.